Yo yo, my friend Sadhan Samanta once again. Welcome back. Uh, Today I'm going to do something really crazy. I haven't done it before, and I'm sure it is going to blow up your mind, right? So just stay there and watch this video till the very end. Okay? I'm going to give you some real bonuses, some real crazy bonus today. Okay. Basically, I want to. I was thinking about this if I should go ahead with this offer or bonus or not. I was thinking if it would really help me or not, or if I'm going to lose something or not. But then I decided, okay, let's no problem. Let's give it a shot and let's see how it comes up. Okay. So I'm going to give you an offer so that you can have an insider's look at Empower Network. You can come in, you can have a look at it, you can have a look around, you can have a look at our fast start bonuses and all, and then you can decide for yourself, right? Okay, so basically, I'm going to let you in Empower Network in my team for free, right? At no cost to you, I'm going to let you in, and there are few conditions for that. So basically, what you have to do is first of all click this join link below this video, go to the next page, pull in all your data, put your information, and after that just make sure that it's my name Sadhan Samanta, and just make sure that you are joining my team, okay? Because if you don't join my team, then you might not get this offer. So you have to be doubly sure that you are in my team. Okay, so after that, go to the next page and make a payment of $25 from your credit card, and then go to your. Oh, this fly is just disturbing me. Anyhow, just go to the Empower Network back office and activate your affiliate account. Okay, that is for 19.95, $19.95. And once you have done these, once you have joined and once you have activated your affiliate link, what you do is you have to give me a screenshot of your Empower Network back office as well as your affiliate back office. And what I'll do is once I have those two snapshots, I'll transfer $25 back to you. Okay. So basically, you join 20 Empower Network absolutely for free. No catches, no nothing. These are the only two conditions. You have to join first and then activate your affiliate link. And once I have this your screenshot back, I'll just transfer $25 back to you. Make sense? All clear? If you have any questions, just get back to me. And I must tell you, you have to act really fast because I am going to let only first 25 people. Just remember, I am sending this video to almost 30,000 people in my list, and you have to act really fast because I cannot keep this offer open for like forever. Okay, because I won't like to everybody joining me for free or something like that. So it is a very limited time offer, and you might be thinking that why I'm doing this kind of a crazy thing, right? So I should tell you that basically right now a competition is going on inside the Empower Network before the Denver event, right? Denver event, it will be 18, 19, and 20th of July, and I'll be going there in Denver. So I just want to make sure that my name is on the leaderboard, right? In the competition leaderboard, and the names obviously whoever comes in those leaderboard, they'll be rewarded. It's no brainer, right? So I want to be in that leaderboard, and I want to be rewarded, and I want to reward you to join my team. Okay, so it is just for first 25 people. Act right now, join right now, make your payment, activate your affiliate ID, send me the screenshots, and I'll send you back your $25 as your joining fee. Right? Don't delay, act fast. All the best to your success. Take care. Bye.